Hello family, and welcome back to our wild Ohio.
Today, I want to take you to my secret Chanterelle hotspot, so you can witness my ultimate foraging flex, where clearly my mythical level mushroom instincts kick in. Now, I don't know about anyone else, but there's something completely euphoric when you come upon the most beautiful flushes of mushrooms. But don't take my word for it, see for yourself. So prepare for equal parts comedy, cryptid, and culinary delicacy under the trees. Chanterelles are a golden trumpet-shaped mushroom and smell kinda like apricots. But they are just the most luxurious texture and flavor with this mild, buttery, but almost honey flavor, with a little hint of pepper. Now family, I'd like to invite you to share your own foraging fails, cryptid encounters, or if you have a question or just want to say hello, we'd love to hear from you. The taste of chanterelles can't be mimicked, and there's nothing quite like the real thing. Chanterelles had the signature fungal earthiness of other mushrooms, but they also emit a uniquely buttery, apricot-like aroma. The flavor is fruity and mildly peppery, meaning chanterelles require minimal preparation. Flavor aside, the main reason for chanterelles' steep prices is they are infamously difficult to cultivate. They mostly grow in the wild, so the only way you can really acquire them is by foraging them yourself. Chanterelles also require specific growing conditions. A period of heavy rainfall in a coniferous forest must be followed by several days of continuous heat and high humidity. Plus, the growing season, if you blink, you'll miss it. On average, chanterelles run for about $224 per pound. For reference, a pound of organic portobello mushrooms from a Whole Foods market costs $5.99 per pound. But the price doesn't seem to be slowing fungus fans down much. In 2017, the U.S. mushroom was valued at a whopping $1.22 billion, reports the American Mushroom Institute. You may know it as the world's most glamorous pizza topping. You may know it by its other moniker, the bluefin of the mushroom world. Or you may not know it at all. Either way, if you're cooking with mushrooms, chanterelles are the cool, mysterious, elusive rock star of the fungi world. Chanterelles are a type of mushroom known for their distinctive bright orange color, but there are also white, yellow, and black varieties. Their size ranges from 1 to 6 inches tall and a half inch to 6 inches. While their color alone makes chanterelles visually knockouts, chefs around the world value the mushroom for its rich flavor and tender texture. As if you needed another reason to get interested, chanterelles are also high in fiber, copper, iron, vitamin D, and a wide array of antioxidants. They can even promote bone health and boost the immune system. I always try not to uproot the mycelium. Here's one of my favorite and quick ways of cooking the loot we scooped from the woods. And it's pretty simple. Chanterelle toast with garlic and thyme. It sounds simple, but it always hits the spot. So do they sound like something you'd want to try? Of course you do. Except tasting chanterelles isn't as simple as hopping down to your local supermarket. In 2021, amateur mushroom forager found over 200 pounds of chanterelles in California's Humboldt County. The flush was valued at $4,000. Can you imagine finding $4,000 just walking through the woods? That's insane. But finding chanterelles in the wild is a lot like spotting Bigfoot. Unlikely, yet mystical. Next time, I'm hunting truffles, but only if I can find a unicorn. And we all know how hard that's getting nowadays, right, ladies? Well, this brings us to the end of another episode, my friends, and I hope you enjoyed it and learned something.
You can participate in supporting the channel by joining our newsletter at ourwildohio.com. You can also find us on Instagram, TikTok, and X. Now get out there and enjoy our wild Ohio, and until we meet again, stay wild, my friends. Thank you for watching Our Wild Ohio. It's support from viewers like you who make it all possible. Thank you. Please like and subscribe. Join our family and become a member of Our Wild Ohio by visiting the link in the description below. And until we meet again, stay wild, my friends.